Hi there! At today's lesson we are going to learn Menuet and Rondeau by Jean-Philippe Rameau. First I'll play this piece in the final tempo, the way it should sound. Then I'll give you some tips on how to practice this piece. And in the end I'll play it in a slow tempo. How to practice this piece? First of all, after initial sight reading to get familiar with the music, you're gonna start practicing one hand at a time. Let's practice first 8 bars, okay? Right hand has to play really good legato. How to play good legato? What is it? Good legato. You need to really articulate the sounds very well. What it means is that sometimes, the keys get stuck on the way. Sometimes fingers still remain on the keys for some time when we play. Avoid that. These 2 fingers are really difficult. They are the weakest. When you move to the next key, before playing it, you need to try to lift your finger as much as you can. Then, when you move to the next key, the other finger needs to get out of the key, right? Prepare this little hammer to step on the next note, and the other finger got up, okay? So you have to do it and practice slowly this piece, lifting fingers high. That's one thing. The other thing, we need to really phrase these melodies. How do we treat the phrase? Well, in simple words, first you do crescendo in the beginning and then you do them in the end. Similar to our language, which we breathe in, we say words. So as we speak, we usually, we can increase our voice. In the end, when we run out of air, our voice fades naturally and we speaking softer. The same in music. So it's very similar to the speech. Usually we don't start speaking like this. Today I had a wonderful dinner. No, I'll say today I have a wonderful dinner. And I fade in the end. So the same as in music. Every next note grows gradually and fades gradually. So that's what we want. We don't want like a cardiogram, right? When every note... No. So... Right? So we created 4-bar phrase, right? It grows, then it fades. Still in the range of forte sounds. The next, again. You see what I mean? As for the left hand, play separately each note, like this detached technique. Also try not to hit the keys, right? Not to hit like with a hammer. For that, again, loosen your wrist. When your hand is totally relaxed, it's similar to this movement. So this helps to create weight enough to make loud sound. So If you found this lesson useful, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and go practice! See you next time. Ciao!